Okay, hello and welcome to my course, and this is the introduction lecture where I'll share with you a little bit about myself and also what you will be learning in this course. So my name is Casey and I live in Singapore, and what I do for a living since 2008 2009 is that I conduct WordPress workshop, web development trainings and digital marketing related trainings and workshops to business owners in Singapore and also to associations. And since 2014, I converted most of my course training to online hosting on Udemy platform. So I've been teaching all these years mainly on the web development topic. So this is the reason, and mainly because in recent years AI has been coming up strong and very trendy. A lot of people are leveraging AI for digital marketing and especially a website creation. So in this course, I will share with you how you can create the entire WordPress website using AI in a very short time. Unlike other courses that will teach you to use AI to create web pages page by page. And the second unique point about this course is that I will share with you free tools for you to do so. So you do not need to pay a single cent when learning all the materials and getting the resources in this course to implement on your own without spending any money. And the third point is that I have spent a great deal of research and investment to make sure that the tool that I share with you will help you resulting in a fast loading website. Because nowadays, if your website is loading very slowly, it will definitely affect your search engine ranking. So in order to have a good ranking on search engine, the first most important thing is to have a lightweight website that's loading fast. Okay, so if you are keen to join my Facebook group, you can search for WordPress Open School and apply to join. There, I will share regularly on some of the tutorials to share with the members. And also, if you want to access and watch my latest WordPress related YouTube tutorials, just search for Casey Tan and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.